Assalamualaikum all of you. Hope you all doing well. I'm your teacher Tashfeen and here for your English lecture number 12. So kids, get ready for your circle time. Okay kids, in our circle time we are going to reinforce our 7 days of the week and then we are going to talk about weather. Okay, so get ready for the song of 7 days of the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. 7 days of the week. Today's name is, it will be a fun day. We can sing and learn to say. Today's name is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. 7 days of the week. Let's all have a great week. Mama!
Kids, we must know about the weathers because it rules our life. Everything from where we go, what we do depends on the weather outside. So kids, there are different types of weathers. I'm going to tell you their names. It can be cloudy, it can be rainy, it can be sunny, it can be foggy, and it can be snowy. So let's sing a weather song with me. Kids, get ready.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it fog? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it fog? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it fog? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it fog? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it fog?
Okay kids, today we are going to talk about letter D. So I can see uppercase D and the lowercase d. First we will try with the fingers and I can see this uppercase and this lowercase d. Okay, let's start. Remember one thing, we always start from the top. So put your finger over here on the top, start from the top, come down, back to the top, make a big bump. For the lowercase d, start from the top, come down, back to the middle. It's a middle. Okay, then little bump. It's a uppercase D and a lowercase d. The sound of D is D. Dog. Can you see something in the train passing this way? Can you see that one? It's the letter D, dog. D, dog. Okay, so again, did you notice that this D bump is going this way and this D, the lowercase bump, going this way? Even though they look different, but their sounds, they make the same sound. Okay, that is D, D, okay. Okay kids, this is how we make letter D in a sign language. Okay, put your pointer up like this and the rest of the fingers in a circle. Okay, put your pointer up and your rest of the fingers in a circle. It's letter D, 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 D. Okay, try to do this with me. Put your pointer up and rest of the fingers in a circle. D, 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 D. Okay kids, we're gonna practice writing letter D on the board. You can practice too. So here we go. Okay. You can see it's a letter, uppercase letter D and a lowercase letter D. It's in a dotted form. Okay, you have to put your pencil over here on the top. Start from the top. Start from the top, come down, back to the top, make a big bump. Uppercase D. For lowercase d, always remember, start from the top, come down, back to the middle. It's a middle, okay, not on the top. Back to the middle, make a little bump. It's a lowercase d. They look, even though they look different, but they make same sound. D, 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 D. Okay? Okay, my little friends, let's start our letter chant from letter A and go all the way through letter D. So, do you remember letter A? Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. B, bugs. B, bugs. B, bugs. B, bugs. C, cut. C, cut. C, cut. D, dance. D, dance. Wow, we are getting good at that. My little friends, look at this picture. We are going to letter D hunt from this picture. We are going to do this practice. So my little friends, concentrate on this picture. I'm just going to talk about this picture. Here is the picture of Tippy Duck, and I'm going to tell you about this Tippy Duck. So let's start. Okay, Tippy Duck is always asking her duck friends round for a swim because she likes swimming. Every day you can see them dipping and diving down at the duck pond. Tippy Duck likes splashing about all day long until she gets hungry. That is, then she dashes over to her duck door. Can you see a duck door over there? Okay, can you see it on the other side of the duck pond? Yes, I can see. Okay, try to touch that one. Okay, so do you think she'll have to duck down to get through? Guess what is waiting for her inside? Yes, she likes to go duck door for her dinner. Yes, a delicious dinner of dandelions and duckweed. It never takes her long to get that down. So let's find out what we can see in this picture. Okay, my kids, little kids, let's start hunting from this picture. Okay, tell me one thing, that can you see a uppercase D and a lowercase d? Can you find out? Yeah, I can see. Okay, let's start tracing with me. Put your finger over here on the screen. Come down. And this one, it's a lowercase d. And here I can find out uppercase D. So let's try to find out some other objects. Okay, so here is Dippy Duck diving and dipping down at the duck pond. Here is duck pond, dipping and diving, Dippy Duck, daffodils. I can see duck friends. I can see duck door. Can you see a dragonfly over here? Yes, here it is. And can you see some other animals? And their beginning sound is D. Okay, let's try to find out on the other side of this pond. Yes, I can see dog. And also I can see a deer. So let's try to reinforce again. Dog, deer, duck, door, daffodil, dragonfly. Okay, my little friends, try to do the practice of these vocabulary words as well. My little friends, I hope you can go on a letter D hunt throughout your house and also see this picture again for more practice. Okay. Okay, my kids, it's lesson number 6 from unit 2 and page number 23 from student book. Okay, here is letter D. Alphabet given and the object is also given. So we are going to do this page, half page today. So it's we have to color this letter D. Trace with the finger first. Start from the top, come down and go back in the middle. Make a little bump. D. D, dog. D, dog. Okay, we are going to color this letter D. So start coloring with me. Take the crayon and take the blue one because its outline is blue. So we are going to color it with the letter with the blue crayon. Okay, letter D. D. Okay, my kids, it's a lesson number 5 from unit 2 from your student book, and the topic of this lesson is follow me. Okay, in this picture we can see two friends are sitting and they are playing with the toys. They have some teddy bears and this girl is sharing. She is asking to her friend that let's play with the teddy bears. And she said, good idea. It means sharing is good. They are sharing their toys. Now
133. Listen and point. Listen and repeat.
Let's play with the teddy bears. Good idea.
134. Listen and chant.
Okay kids, it's a activity book page number 20 and lesson number 5 unit 2. The same page, the topic of this page is follow me. Okay, as I told you, sharing is very good, and you have to share your toys, your things with your friends. Okay, here are 2 pictures given. In the first picture we can see these 2 friends are sitting on the table, and one friend is writing with her crayons, and other friend, she doesn't have anything to write, and she is asking for from her to give some crayons, but she is not sharing. That girl is not sharing. So is this good or is this bad? It's not good. She is not sharing. This is not good. Okay, and that's why this friend is sad. So we are going to draw a sad face over here. Okay, we are going to draw a sad face, and in this picture you can see these 2 friends. These 2 friends are sitting on the table, and they are sharing their crayons with each other. So is this good, my kids? Yes, it's good. So they both are smiling. We are going to draw a smiley face over here. Now what we do, we are going to color this picture. So let's start coloring with me. Okay, my little friends, I hope you have fun today and have a happy day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.